Ladies and gentlemen, we are live at Tewani South, Lokuhle FM. Ifikile to surprise one of our listeners, Johnny, my brother, Sisekalake, Sisakata live tonight. So this a pleasant surprise now. So silana mutla siyamtshela ngalento le kuthi radio sayithatha siyifake ebantwini babe ngicela uvusele lapha balaleli nabalandzeli beLokuhle FM at large labahlala eThekwani South.
Aw Lokuhle FM leligama letichaza Lokuhle, everything is beautiful. Sanibonani malaleli emakhaya, siyabonga kakhulu i-chance sithola namhlanje sivakashele iLokuhle
ekhaya live
the first digital radio station enhlazini eLofelda eMpumalanga. This is one of the best. Namhlanje nami, they caught me by surprise. You know, when you've got friends laba on another level, they will take you to that level. So I'm very pleased, my brother, to come and visit me. Who's fully online radio station in our yard.
This is a Sunday. This is a legendary Sunday. That's where you find the secret prophet. It's my son, you know. With the other guys in Kilija, Mr. Kate, running the show from 2 to 6. So sitena mhlawumbe mhlawumbe sidlule ngala sithi ngesurprise and awukho wedwane ngiyakubona kunemfowethu la uyachaza mhlawumbe ukuthi kubantu abanye ijali
over to you.
Sanibonani babukeli bethu sila Lokuhle FM iyachaza ukuthi nginokubuthi shothi konke kwayo ukuhamba kahle kunhle yajabulisa lana ikhaya lapho uJoni isipambe surprise but isithola less excited sijabulile yonke
silize game ebafana bafana bathe
game ebafana bafana lento and then shutwa live la kaJoni
I
beyond madodana ntobana la Lokuhle aka edithwa lena si live siyabonga.